Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll see how to work with Math Menu. So Math Menu is nothing but a menu bar where we can have multiple links we can use. For example, as usually we can see in any website, in profile section there would be some change password section, my profile section, or logout, something like that. So how to create those drop down menu? If you click on any button, so it will open in one drop down, and from there we can select multiple options. So to work with, what we need to have in Angular is, in app module you need to import Math Menu module in import section, and then in HTML what you need to do, we need to do just create a button. You need to create a button, and this button type, let's give as a math button, and this math button will be act as a menu bar. For that, so give as navigation menu, name of this navigation menu, and this menu will trigger for. So for that we need to use one property, and this property name will be as math menu trigger for which it should trigger. So the value will be, I'm defining one like menu, so I'll create one section, so it will be referring those menu. So for example, I'm creating math menu, so math menu, and in this material menu I'll define this variable which I have created here, so that it will refer this menu. So for that we can define local variable as with the hash symbol, and the name as menu as there be given, and this value we can specify as math menu. That's it. And then here we can specify what are the options we want inside this. So inside this, I want to create multiple link. For example, uh, multiple website link I'll create here, so that we can get a feel that how it works. So for example, I'll create anchor tag, and in anchor tag I'll define as Flipkart, and the second one I'll use as, copy this, I'll use similar, and this will be as Google. I'm trying to open two websites from here, and these anchor tag, these each elements are elements of menu, items of menu. So for that we need to give one directive, that is math menu, otherwise it won't recognize this as menu bar. So math menu item, this directive we need to specify here in for every element, and here and let's see the this website URL. So I'll type as a Google, so I can copy this one and I can use for the Google one, and similarly for Flipkart. So copy, what it is happening, Flipkart, so I'll copy this Flipkart URL, I'll paste here. So this was required only. If you want, if we could have multiple menu, we can create here and we can use accordingly. So I'll save here all these, and we'll get back to the browser. We'll see how it is. So this is the navigation menu. Once we click here, so we'll see multiple menu bar is opening. If you want to add multiple many, we can add many, and if you click on this, so it will go at the respective website here, like this. So in this way we can work with math menu in Angular. So thanks guys, have a nice day.